India is my country. And I am. All India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. And I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.